Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students of grade 11, welcome back and a new lesson from module 8. Our lesson is writing a report based on a graph. This is lesson 2, writing. The objectives of our lesson are 1. To read a report for information, 2. To plan a report correctly, 3. To write a report based on a graph. As you can see on the screen, you need to get your student book and workbook ready in order to follow me. Thank you. Let's start with the student book, and please open your student book page number 123. Here you can find out a report, and in the report there are 5 headings need to be completed from number 1 to number 5. After that, there are 5 shaded sentences. You need to change them into the passive voice. My dear students, it's advisable to pause the video for 10 minutes to read the report, complete the headings, and change the 5 shaded sentences into the passive voice. In exercise D, student book page number 123. After you do the task, please play the video again to check your answer and to listen to explanation. Let's go. Welcome back. This is exercise D on page number 123. Let's start with the suitable headings. The first one is introduction. The second one, quality of instruction or any related answer that reflects the content of paragraph number 2. Number 3, career guidance, or as I told you, any reasonable answer that reflects the content of paragraph 3. Number 4, extracurricular activities or something related to the paragraph. But the final one should be recommendations. My dear students, now let's check the passive forms. Here is the first shaded sentence. The surveyors encouraged students to comment on their experiences with these services. As you know, before changing the sentence into the passive form, we should divide the sentence into the subject, the verb, and the object. The surveyors subject, encouraged verb, students object, and to comment on or complement. So the answer is students were encouraged to comment on their experiences with these services. The second sentence, many students also mentioned the excellent interaction between teachers and students. The answer is the excellent interactions between teachers and students was also mentioned by many students. Number 3, unfortunately, the guidance program was described as very poor by nearly a quarter of the students. Number 4, a significant number of students suggested water polo and pottery, and the answer is water polo and pottery were suggested by a significant number of students. Number 5, Middleton College should take some steps to improve its career guidance program. Middleton College subject should take verb. Some steps object to improve complement, so the answer will be some steps should be taken by Middleton College to improve its career guidance. My dear students, if you find any one of those sentences difficult, please refer to the teacher on the Teams application in order to give explanation and facilitate the matter. Now it's time to plan for your writing report. Please open your workbook page number 103. This is what you're going to find there. It's writing a plan. Let's do the task. Dear students, open your books, workbooks page number 103. It's advisable to pause the video for 10 minutes to complete the planning table on workbook page number 103. Then play the video to check your answers and to listen to explanation. So let's go. Welcome back. It's time to do a plan for your writing report. Suppose that I'm going to send the report to Director Stevens. It was sent by Martha Cook. The subject may be quality of services at Sunrise Mall. The report can be about the quality of services provided at Sunrise Mall. Of course, the graph shows the information or the data, and we got them from the percentages and x's. Paragraph 1, we can suggest it to be the introduction, or it should be the introduction. The key words introduce the topic. Paragraph 2, variety of shops. Key information can be the quality of services. The main body of paragraph 3 can be food court, and the main key information overall. Over half of respondents think that services are poor. Main body paragraph 4 can be entertainment center, and the key information can be the service is very popular among teenagers. For the recommendations, we can find them this way. Improve certain services, keep the food court clean and organized, create more parking space or spaces. Dear students, remember the following main points. How many sections are there in a report? There are 5. What are the 5 sections of the report? Introduction, body 1, body 2, body 3, and recommendations. Now let's complete the task on page 104 from the workbook. It's time to write a complete report. The task we are going to have here is an example that has been done for you. So you shouldn't write down the same writing. You can write or relate to your own writing according to a certain report. But the steps should be similar, and you should have 5 headings, as you know. So we suggest this topic for you in order to take it as a model. Here's to, whom, from whom, and the subject. Here's the introduction. Here's heading 1, or this is heading 2 after introduction, variety of shops. Then heading 3, food court. Heading 4, entertainment center. And the final one is recommendation. Dear students, don't forget to log on to MS Teams for daily and weekly assessments and to ask for help or explanation from your teacher. At the end of the lesson, I wish you all the best and good luck.